Hi, in this video, let me show you how to install the driver for your Canon printer, that is the imageCLASS MF275dw. It works with Mac and PC, so let's jump right in. You're going to open any web browser, Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome, it doesn't matter, and simply go on Google. Then once you're on Google, type Canon MF275dw driver. One of the first results should be from the official Canon website. Canon USA. If you're in Europe, you also have Canon Europe, and if you're in another country, well, you have Hong Kong here, Canada, etc. Click on this. You're going to be on the website of the Canon website. You're going to select Downloads on the top bar. Then you're going to select Software and Driver. Go down. Select your operating system. I'm on a PC, so I have selected Windows. If you're on a Mac, you're going to select Mac. Which version of your operating system you're running, select it. Go down. And over here where you see Download, you're going to select Drivers. Go down, and we're going to have over here recommended master setup, and I recommend you pick master setup. Click on download. It's currently downloading. Open the file we just downloaded. Yes. I can close the web page. I'll click yes again. Select your language, press OK. Select your country. Press OK again. Click on Start Setup. Now wait a few seconds. Could take even a minute or two. Click on Check All and then press the next button. As they say here, make sure your printer is turned on. Press Next. Press on Printer Not Found. And now we're going to select USB Connection and press Next. Go ahead and connect your USB cable in your computer. Here we go, successfully connected. Wait. Great, I'll press Next. Setup complete. Now, they'll ask you if you want to get a shortcut on your desktop for an online manual. I don't like that. It's a bloatware. I'll click Finish. And here we go. How do you print? Very easy. Open any document you wish to print that is on your computer. It could also be a web page if you prefer. I have opened a PDF file that I wish to print. Could have been a picture or maybe even a web page. And now once this is open, on the keyboard, the easiest way is to keep press on Ctrl and press once on the letter P. On the left side, make sure you select the right printer, MF270 series. I'll click on it. Then there is a few different things. You can change the number of copies if you want to print on both sides of the page. Let me do that and press print once you're ready. On your printer, usually the print comes out in under 10 seconds. If nothing is happening, press the home button to wake it up. Sometimes it needs this small push. Okay, so we got our print. How do you scan? Well, to do that, we need to open this lid. This is the first scanner. This printer has two different scanners. If you want to input your paper here, you're going to put it facing down with the top part of your document towards the left side, and then make sure to align the top left corner with the top left corner of the scanner, okay? Right over here, your paper should touch the corner with an arrow, and then you can close the lid. If you want to use the automatic document feeder, you need to open this to push these to the extremities, okay, push them like that. Put your stack of paper, or just one page, facing up with the top part towards the left side and push it all the way in. To scan on your PC, most people will not need any software, any downloaded software. In the search bar, click and search for the Scan app. It comes included with your PC most of the time. If the Scan app doesn't appear, you need to go into the Microsoft Store, search for it. It's a free app made by Microsoft. Simply type Scan and download it. It works with every printer you're gonna ever purchase. So here under Scanner, I'll tap and select my Canon. And there will be a few different options you'll be able to change. Next, select where you have input your paper in the flatbed, that's the first scanner I showed you, or the top document feeder. Select which file type you wish to have. Click on Show More. You'll be able to select if you want to scan in color or black and white, the DPI resolution, and also the page size you have input. In my case, it's a letter size. Go down and select in which folder on your PC you want the scan to go. Then press the scan button. It usually takes around 15 seconds. At the end, you should get a message on the top that the scan got saved. Okay, perfect. The scan was saved to desktop. You can press View or go on your desktop and view the scan you just got. So this is about it. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment, check my Amazon links if you want to get a replacement toner that fits this printer. I'll put a link towards the genuine Canon toner. And yeah, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.